Welcome to the Healthy Hydration family, the Peak H2. This one is specifically designed for athletes, and I'm going to share with you why. First, I'll show you inside the box and what we have here. We have the manual. Very important you go through this, read it very carefully, and then it's going to come in its own wrapping. So you're going to notice here the features that I love as you have the push pressure release valve on the top. You see any bottles out there that do not have this, they can't make very high production of hydrogen. So this one here has been certified by an organization that is the Hydrogen Water Quality Association, and this one's able to get up to 3 to 5 parts per million per liter. Well, at this time. Okay, so that's what we were able to receive with that. It's also been tested for over 100 hours of use. So it's a very great quality product. So you have the pressure release valve here. And another thing that I like about it is it's round, so you don't have to worry about making sure it lines up with the lines on some of the other bottles out there in the market. It is very well marked too, so we give you some tips on here, so make sure to read them. When you do get it, you're going to notice the plastic material is called Triton, which is the highest quality you can get that ensures no leaching goes into the water with plastics. You want to make sure that your bottle is Triton, not just any plastic. And then here is where the membrane's at. So this is going to be moist. There's going to be water under here. And when you take it off, it's for easy screwing, but there's going to be water. And the reason for that is we do not want that membrane to dry out during transportation. You want to always have a little water in there just to keep it moist. Then we have an easy push button here. Very simple, just push the button and away you go. And then we do have the cap on the back here with a standard C charger port. Now on the bottom, what I love about this is it does have its own little chamber just for any extra discharge, because when you're making hydrogen, there's a potential to have a little bit of extra O2 go out, and this just captures it in the bottom here instead of leaking. So this is an upgrade that we've decided to bring forward to the new Peak H2. So it does have more volume of water. It does still fit in the cup holder. We are extremely ecstatic about this new bottle. If you're trying to compare it to the Hydra Shot, just remember that the Hydra Shot is designed for hydrogen production, the highest you can get. This one is still gonna have huge high production of hydrogen, but it does have more volume of water. So for those of you that drink a lot of water, want more volume of water, Peak H2 is definitely for you.